Welcome back to April Education, and in today's video we'll be looking at how you can create a cartoon from a simple prompt. The first thing is head over to cartoongen.com. After heading over to cartoongen.com, just head over to the prompt section and click on it. As you can see, I've written a prompt: a cute boy in the style of Pixar, no poster, portrait, no poster text. And just click on run. You're given only one credit, so use it wisely, especially for this tool. Just use it wisely. So just come and click run. And then you give the AI a moment for it to load up. So you can see it is generating our image. There it is. There it is. It is loading still. Just give it a moment. And remember, if you want to add your own image, you can come just and drag and drop your file here. Alright? If you want your own personalized image to be generated, just come and drag and drop it here and it will be generated. Alright? As you can see, there is our image. After you see that the image is according to what you have written in the prompt area, just come and click download. After clicking on download, just save your image and you can use it in however way you want. If it's for a business, if it's for a project, if it's for a paper, just choose. Just come and click on save and you are done. Alright? If you found this educating and helpful, make sure you leave a like and make sure you subscribe to be highly appreciated. Thank you for watching and good luck.